Facebook probably owes you money. It's not a scam. I'll explain. Stay tuned to the end because I'll let you know how much money you might actually get. Recently, Facebook came to an agreement over a 5-year class action lawsuit, and they've agreed to pay users $725 million over ways that they handled their information and shared that with third parties, basically violating their privacy. Now, that $725 million is going to go to the users mostly. There's some conditions on that. First, there's going to be legal fees, and that's going to take 25% right off the top. After that, there are 8 named plaintiffs in the lawsuit who are each going to get around $15,000. Now, the remaining money, which is around $543 million, well, that will be split up amongst all the users who go ahead and apply to receive their portion of that payment. But there are some conditions that apply to see if you're even eligible. And you're eligible for the settlement if you lived in the US and you used Facebook between May 24th, 2007 and December 22nd, 2022. To register to be eligible for the settlement, you just have to go to this website and fill out the form. It's very basic information. You're going to also attest that you were a US resident, you did use Facebook during those dates, and finally, you're going to have to put your Facebook username. You have to apply by midnight on August 25th, 2023. Now, there's 5 payout options, including a MasterCard being sent to you via PayPal, Venmo, Zelle, or the Leave and Do direct deposit. The big question everybody has is how much money are they going to get? And really, it's a guesstimation game. Of the $543 million that remains, some of that will be given to the people who are administering the website and overall dispersing the money. For the rest of us, depends on how long you use Facebook for. Now, if you use it for a long time, you might see a high 3-figure number. But for the majority of us, it's going to be less than $100. The other big question people have is when might they see their money? Now, this settlement has to go before a judge and get approved sometime in September. If it gets approved, and I don't see why it wouldn't, but you never know, it should be maybe 90 days after that when they start actually initiating the payments. Now, in some of this guesstimation, it depends on how many people apply. So let me know in the comments, are you going to apply?